Dog training can be a challenging but rewarding experience for both you and your furry friend. In this video, we'll provide you with the ultimate guide for beginners to help you master the art of dog training. So let's get started. Before you can begin training your dog, it's important to understand their behavior. Dogs communicate through body language, so it's important to pay attention to their signals. In this section, we'll cover some basic behaviors and signals to help you better understand your dog. Positive reinforcement training is an effective and humane way to train your dog. This method involves rewarding your dog for good behavior, which will encourage them to repeat the behavior in the future. We'll cover the basics of positive reinforcement training and how to apply it to your dog. Teaching your dog basic commands is essential for their safety and well-being. In this section, we'll cover basic commands such as sit, stay, come, and heel. We'll provide tips on how to train your dog to follow these commands consistently. Every dog has some problem behaviors that need to be addressed. In this section, we'll cover some common problem behaviors such as barking, biting, and jumping. We'll provide tips on how to train your dog to overcome these behaviors. Once you and your dog have mastered the basic commands, you can move on to more advanced training. We'll cover advanced commands such as roll over, shake, and play dead. We'll provide tips on how to make training fun and engaging for your dog. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and skills to train your dog like a pro. Remember to be patient and consistent in your training, and your furry friend will thank you. Thanks for watching.